Hello everyone. I've had a few comments recently telling me to buy the Henry Quick Pro. Well, because I have 4 Quick models, I have the regular Henry, the Henry Quick Pet and Hetty Quick, plus the Numatic Quick, there's no need for me to buy the Pro model because all the Quick models are the same, they just vary in colour and tools provided, and in the case of the Numatic Quick, that comes with 2 batteries. You can buy the Pro kit, which will make any Quick a Pro model, because the only difference between, say, the Henry Quick Pet and the Pro are these 3 tools, because the Pro model also comes with the mini motorized tool you get with the Pet version, plus of course all Quick models come with these 2 standard accessories. So for around £40 from myhenry.com you can get this kit. I bought this myself, it was delivered a few days ago, so let's open it up and see it in use. Inside the box we get the 3 tools, and the most useful and the most wanted, I think, is this stretchable hose. We also get this new design dusting brush. Oh dear, it's got a little bit distorted in the box. I think I did that. I had a look at it earlier and put them away. I'm sure that'll go back to normal after a bit of use. Very nice soft brushes, a little bit of a velour strip. It's a bit Dyson-esque. The thing I'm a bit disappointed about with this nozzle is it doesn't have an adjustable neck. It's a fixed position. It would have been nice if you could have angled it, especially if you could angle it downwards, so you could use this for tops of cupboards and things, but hey ho. And then we get a long crevice tool. It's flexible, it's fairly rigid, but you can flex it. We've also got 2 air vents here to allow the air to flow through, so when you block the end, airflow is still going through to the machine. Okay, let's remove them. I don't think there's any instructions, you shouldn't really need them. No, that's it. So taking the original red Henry Quick, we can of course connect any of the tools direct to Henry. Crevice tool, dusting brush, and of course the flexible hose. So the hose is flexible, it's stretchable. Let's see how far it stretches. So I'd say it stretches to roughly about 1 metre. There you go, I can just about get it into the frame of the shot there. So of course with the Quick models there's no trigger to keep your finger on, so you can turn on the machine and then attach any of the tools to the end of the hose, including of course the tools included with the Quick models. Now you can fit the mini motorized tool, but of course this is not a power hose, it's just a regular stretch hose. So although it's possible to use this nozzle with the hose, it's not going to provide power. So yes, I'm glad there is a stretch hose, but maybe at some point Numatic may introduce a powered hose. There's some models from G-Tech that have that feature, and it is quite useful, especially inside the car. So you've got the powered accessory and you can really clean in the nooks and crannies of the car, under the front seats, etc., and still have the powered tool. But at least now we do have a hose, which is good. So that comes off. You can also, of course, attach the wand. And again, it's not going to be powered, but when the wand's attached, you could put the extra long crevice tool on, so you could reach up high for the cobwebs, etc. And of course you can use it like this. Obviously in this manner you're not going to have any rotating brush. I've just knocked Henry into my sideboard. I'm terribly sorry, Henry, but you can take the knocks. So look, we've got like a mini cylinder version now, sort of. I don't think I'll be able to stand up straight because the hose it won't really stretch. Of course you have to lift up the machine and direct the nozzle here like so. You could use it for hard floors like this, but really it's not suitable for that in my view. But it is certainly suitable for all the other things. You know, attaching this nozzle to the end, pushing out the brush, standing up, holding Henry Quick by your side, and then you've got some flexibility with the wand and the hose, and of course with the new dusting brush on. But you see, this is what I'm saying about the brush. It is a shame that that couldn't be angled down, because if you could angle it downwards, then on the end of the extension wand, that would be good for the tops of your kitchen cupboards, tops of wardrobes, etc. So you're still having to, you know, to get the brush flat in order to do the dusting, you've got to hold the wand at this angle. Yeah, so maybe for a new version, a different version, if you're watching Numatic, make this so you can just twist it, because they have already in their lineup for standard Henry, they've got a long dusting brush and it is a bit more flexible than this one. It moves up and down. So it's a shame that they couldn't incorporate that with this particular model. They'd only have to put a joint here so you could just twist it round. So I'm sure you all know what I mean by that. So instead of having this up like here, you could twist it round so you can have it pointing down, obviously with a brush pointing down. So then if you have the wand connected with the brush at the bottom, then you could do the tops of your wardrobes and your kitchen cupboards and higher places. But it is what it is. I'm glad as soon as the Henry Quick Pro was launched, so were the additional tools. So for any of you who own a Henry Quick and you like using your Henry, of course Hetty, we have Hetty here making a guest appearance, pretty in pink. And as I said, they're all the same. They're all the same. The machines are the same, the wands are the same, the floor heads are the same. They just vary in colour and tools provided. I have been informed by the people at myhenry.com that the new Pro model is still made in China, but there are still plans to bring the Quick range to the UK and manufacture them in the same factory that the famous Henry cleaners are made. But I've no plans at this stage to buy the Pro model, even if it goes on offer. Personally, for me, there's no reason to buy it, especially now that I have the Pro kit and I do have the mini motorized tool. I also have that separate. I did buy that as a separate accessory before I bought the pet version. So basically, whatever you've got, whether it's the basic Henry or Hetty, you can make them into Pros by buying the mini motorized tool and the Pro kit. So as I said, I don't think I'm going to show you a new Quick version on this channel until there is an updated version, because although the Pro is a new model, it isn't new as far as everything else goes. It just has more tools and it's in a grey colour, and some people are a little bit disappointed by that. I was when I saw that it's grey, because Henry did do a Quick model in grey, and of course the Numatic Quick, which was the first model I showed you on this channel, the commercial version, again that's in grey, and that doesn't have the happy smiley face. So let's put some dirt down. We'll see the versatility. We might as well use the original red Henry Quick and we'll take him for a spin. that's about the end of my video on the Henry Quick Pro kit. Definitely worth getting to extend the versatility of your Henry or Hetty Quick cleaners. And at the time of making this video, you can buy this direct from myhenry.com for $39.99. But bear in mind, myhenry.com often have things on special offer, so it is possible this may be on special offer at some point, and who knows, it might be bundled in with Henry or Hetty Quick in the future as a special deal. But if you have an existing Quick model, I would definitely recommend this toolkit. If you have any further questions, please comment below, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.